We have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast, and this is related to the hearing in the Supreme Court. Extension for Bengal SIR exercise. Top court has extended the SIR exercise by a week. Date of listing final rolls has been extended. So the court was hearing the case of SIR in West Bengal. Remember, Mamta Banerjee had appeared before the court. She said, we're not getting justice anywhere, and that's why we want the Supreme Court to ensure justice for West Bengal. She leveled several allegations against the Election Commission of India. Today, during the hearing, the Supreme Court has issued a show cause notice to the DGP after Supreme Court's attention was drawn to the cases of violence and threats against the BLOs, the Election Commission officials. Let me go across to our legal editor Harish Nair, joining us with more details. It's a big development coming to fore. Supreme Court has extended SIR by a week.
Yes, that's right, Swati. In fact, one of the points raised by Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, when she appeared in the Supreme Court, was that the micro-observers were all officials picked up from the BJP-ruled state, and their only motive and aim was to delete people from the voters list. And she has said that she had, in fact, on her own, appointed selected 8,505 Group B officers to function as micro-observers. And so the Supreme Court said that, yes, they can join duty from tomorrow. They shall be trained by the present micro-observers who shall no longer take any important decision. So for all these exercise, the Supreme Court found it fit that the last date for publication of the final voters list, which was scheduled for February 14th, Swati, be extended to further by a week. That is, now the final voter list will have to be published only on February 21st. So to enable the new micro observers, the Group D officers selected by the Bengal government to assist the Election Commission and the training, for that this time has been given. So an extension of 1 week for the publication of the final electoral roll. So and also the other aspect is that the Supreme Court has taken cognizance of the Election Commission of India's affidavit, in which it has explained the violence against the Election Commission of India officials, especially those who are participating in hearing in Panchayat Bhavans in 2-3 districts, and also the widespread burning of Form 7, which is the form for people to include their name or delete their name from
so the earlier deadline was February 14. The Supreme Court has now extended date of publication of final rolls by 1 week. Thank you very much, Harish, for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you with that. We're slipping into a very short break. There's a lot more lined up on the other side. Stay on with us.